Alright, you guys, so I know you can read the title. I don't even know if I should make this video. I don't know where to start. I don't even know if I should start, if I should keep going. My feelings are like all over the place right now. And but yeah, I just really wanted to come on here because I told myself, you know what, I've been away from YouTube like way too long, and whatever the results are, I don't want to like stay away from YouTube again, because you know, I feel like it's just like every time I get pregnant, it's like holding me back from like getting to where I want to get, you know, just reaching my dreams and my goals and all of that. So I really don't want that this time around. So whatever the results are, I will still keep up with my videos. I know I usually don't come on here and announce this type of like announcements and stuff, but I really just wanted to share with you guys because either way, I just want to keep it rolling. But like I said, my feelings are all over the place. My feelings are all, I can't even speak. My feelings are all over the place, and I'm even out of breath. I've been feeling very, very nauseous for the past 3 weeks now, and I'm just very tired. I could do anything, like just waking up, I'm already tired, and I know this feeling way too well. If you're new to my channel, you just happen to cross, like, if you're new to my channel, or just if you're new to my channel, or you just happen to come across my channel, I'm Lisa. I have 3 children. I just gave birth about 2 months ago. Yes, 2 months ago, and I can't believe I'm like making this video. And if I'm talking so low, it's because my baby's sleeping right there. I don't want to wake him up. But yeah, so I don't even know what I'm doing right now, but I'm just doing, I guess, sharing with you guys. But yeah, I have been feeling very, very tired. This thing could go either way. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but it is what it is. It's a blessing either way. So I did my 6 weeks checkup, and my doctor and I were discussing a birth control method. And like I said before, I tried the pill did not work. I tried, obviously, the IUD did not work either. And I was thinking about putting the Armor Up. I don't know what the name, I think it's, I don't know, it's just Armor Up, whatever it's called. I was thinking about that, but then I'm just like, yo, do I really want to do that? Because I read a lot of bad reviews on it. But I do have, like, I'll have a friend of mine who has it, and she's not, I mean, she's been good with it. She's not complaining or anything. She's like, it's cool, you know. But I read a lot of bad reviews on it as well, so I'm kind of just skeptical. I'm like, yo, I don't think I want to go through that, because with the IUD I went through a lot. Like, it was just too much for me. It was just too much, and obviously at the end it failed me. It did not work. So here we are today, with 3 kids and possibly 4. Yo, I think it hasn't registered in my mind yet. I think I'm just kind of going crazy right now, but nobody knows I'm even making this video, because yeah. Okay, so my battery died, and the other one that's currently, I'm charging it right now. But like I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and take a pregnancy test. I actually have to go get one from Target. I'll just get one of those that says pregnant or not, because I don't have time to be, okay, I'm just gonna go get one of those. And anyways, let's just go get the pregnancy test, and let's just go. Yo, pregnant who, by who, when, and how? I know I got you good though. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell like button, that way you get notified every time I upload a video. But on a more serious note though, I still need to go get a pregnancy test. So yeah, that is all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also share with your friends and family, because sharing is caring. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, and sharing. God bless you. I'll speak to you very, very soon.